Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice desert sand coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a nice black platformed running board. Got lights on your mirrors, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we do get remote start with this vehicle and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back. You got floor mats. We do got some storage here, USB-C, and 120 volt. And of course, you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you can lift up the seats for additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side, now we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 46 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do have a digital speedometer. We have My View, Trip and Field, Truck Info, Off-Road, Towing, Audio, Phone, Navigation, and other settings, such as your vehicle maintenance. Over here, we have our gear select, speeds, parking brake. You have your traction, auto stop and start, drive modes, four-wheel drive. Got your cup holders. We got a wireless charging pad, USB-C, and some storage. Climate controls at the bottom with your hazards. Leather-wrapped center console with even more storage. You even got a 12 volt down there. We do get a powered rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And looking here, we do get heated front seats, plus your dual climate. And looking here, we have our radio, phone, navigation, media, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You got sketch, towing, vehicle settings, and a backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE02339, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.